guys, it's Ryan and welcome back to another video. So, in case you're wondering why I'm talking so softly, it's because I have some guests over and I'm trying not to talk so loudly that they hear me and possibly ask me what I'm doing and thus embarrass me, because that would be the least what I'd want right now. And I'm also slightly intoxicated, so that's fun, right? Hooray, underage drinking. Anyway.
Just so we are all aware, it is legal for under 18s to drink in a private house under parental or guardian supervision.
Hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas. If you're not, that's very unfortunate, and I hope you have another good Christmas next year. And Happy New Year. For Christmas, I got a 50 flavor Jelly Belly box. Doesn't that look nice? So what I thought would make a wonderful video is for me to try them all and rate them on a scale of 1 to 50, 1 being the best Jelly Belly bean, this is amazing, I love it, God bless, 50 being the worst Jelly Belly bean, just the worst, get this out of my mouth, why does this exist? I don't know what that was. And I have not touched a single one of these. I have not eaten a single bean because I wanted to make a rating the flavors video, and I figured tonight would be the best night since I am intoxicated. So let's get into it. I'm gonna open it up and we'll start trying the flavors. Alright, so the first flavor we're trying is buttered popcorn, and it looks like this. It's white. Oh shit, I dropped it. It looks white with yellow speckles. Oh god, my nails. My nails are filthy. Sorry about that. Oh, it's like it's okay after a few initial chews, but at first it's not nice at all. But afterwards it's like, it's alright. It does taste like movie popcorn. It's not great, but it's not bad either. So because of that, I'm gonna put it at 25. So good middle range. I'll move some if I need to, but as for now, buttered popcorn is at 25. The next option is wild blackberry, which is pretty dark. It looks like a little black bean. Luckily, it says it's wild blackberry, not licorice, so... Alright. It's not bad. It's not the best, but it's not bad either. It's better than the buttered popcorn. That was okay. I think I'll place that at number 10, just for now. Alright, next option is birthday cake. This, I'm expecting big things because birthday cake always tastes nice. It kinda tastes like how vanilla essence smells. It's better than the buttered popcorn, but not as good as the wild blackberry. So I'm gonna put it at a solid maybe 20. Next up is melon, which is a nice sort of light orange. That's really nice. That's pretty good. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. I could eat like half a packet of those. So I'm gonna put it at a solid 7. Next up is strawberry ice cream. When I was a kid, actually, I used to love strawberry ice cream, so I have pretty high expectations. So what it looks like, it's pink with some darker pink speckles. That actually tastes better than strawberry ice cream. My cat's on my bed and is moving the tripod. Not the tripod. You know what? Fine. Whatever, I do not care. I'd say it tastes slightly better than melon. Oh, does it? I'll need to take another melon to be sure. No. Melon is still better. So I'm gonna put it at an 8. Next up is lemon lime. I always like lemon lime flavored things, so again, I have big expectations. It's like a sort of a lime green color. Ooh. That is good. I'm gonna put that at a 4. Next up is orange sherbet. This I expect will taste nice. It's sort of pale orange with some dark orange speckles. Surprisingly, it doesn't have a lot of flavor. It kind of just tastes like sugar with like a hint of orange. And because of that, I'm gonna put it at I think a 9, above wild blackberry, because wild blackberry just kind of tasted like fruit. This one kind of just tastes like sugar, and to me sugar tastes better than fruit. So yeah, I'm gonna put it at a 9. Next up we have cappuccino next. Ew. I already know I'm not gonna like this because I don't like coffee flavored things. So it's sort of brown with some white speckles. I don't like it. It's okay, but it's just got that coffee flavor. I just don't like coffee. So because of that, I'm gonna put it at a 40. It's a solid 40. It's just not good. Alright, next up we have, that's a long word, cherry passion fruit smoothie. That sounds like it's gonna be delicious. So it's sort of like a dark pinkish purple. Oh my god. That's amazing. That's incredible. I'm gonna put it at a 1. I don't even need to explain why. I just love that. Alright, so next up we have green tea. I doubt I'm gonna like it, but who knows? They're laughing. I don't know why they're laughing. I'm not there, so they can't possibly be laughing. I'm joking. I'm not that funny. I dropped the green tea bean. Anyway, so the green tea bean is like a pale green. Oh. It has that like sort of tea flavor with like a hint of like fruit maybe. It's just not that good. I'm gonna put it at 35. It's just not that good. Next up we have crushed pineapple. Now I'm not the biggest fan of pineapple on its own, but sometimes pineapple flavored things are pretty good. So let's see. Oh, by the way, it's sort of pale yellow. It's not amazing, but it's not absolutely the worst either. It's worse than buttered popcorn. I like buttered popcorn better. So I'm gonna put it at 30. Next up we have cotton candy. Now cotton candy just tastes like super sweet. So I'm hoping it doesn't taste like pure sugar. I'm hoping it tastes like a little bit nice. That's pretty good. It's not amazing. So I'm gonna put it at 15. Next up we have watermelon. Now I love watermelon flavored things, so I have massive expectations. It's sort of like a dark green, which is odd because usually watermelon flavored lollies are like pink, so it's nice to see a green for a change. Oh. That's good. know if it's better than the cherry though. Might have to try another cherry. Oh, no, it's better than cherry. So in that case, I'm gonna put cherry at a number 3. And I'm gonna put the watermelon at number 1 because damn, was that nice. Next up, we have chocolate pudding. Well, pudding? Chocolate pudding. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate, but some chocolate flavored desserts are okay. So I don't really know what to expect from this. It's a nice dark brown. It's not great. It just tastes like chocolate. It's just overwhelming with chocolate. And I don't like chocolate. So I'm gonna put this at maybe a 16. It's only just worse than cotton candy. Next up, we have berry blue. Now, I think I forgot to mention, I have had jelly bellies in the past, and from what I know, berry blue has always been really good. So let's try it. It's a nice blue color. That's pretty good. I think I might put that at a number 2. It's not better than watermelon though. Watermelon is delicious. So next up we have toasted marshmallow. I sort of have a brief memory of what this tastes like. I guarantee it's not going to be in the single digits, it's going to be in the double digits because I don't think that this was as good as I remember. Now, it's like a whitish with brown blotches. Yeah, it's not amazing. It's not brilliant. I wouldn't eat a whole pack of it. 1 is enough. So I think I might put that at let's go 18. Next we have mango. Now I don't actually like mango. I can't stand it. I don't like it. I dropped it. So it's a sort of pale green with darker green speckles. Just as I suspected. It's not great. Ooh. Yeah, it's not brilliant. I'm gonna put that at a 23. Now we have pomegranate. Now, I used to eat pomegranates a lot. And I remember them being nice. So this is sort of like a darkish pink with an even darker speckles. Oh, it's a bit sour. It's quite nice. I might put that at a 14. Actually, you know what? Let's put that at a 13. Alright. Now we have lychee. I don't like lychees. My mom, for some reason, loves them. I hate lychees. So we have this light pink with dark pink blotches. They're actually not that bad. Those are okay. I'm gonna put them at 14. We now have pina colada, which are sort of pale yellow. I don't know if I like it or not. I definitely could not eat a whole packet of those. Definitely not. But they weren't bad. It like had a nice fruity flavor, but like something was just not right. So I'm gonna put that at maybe a 27. We now have kiwi. Now I don't really like kiwi, but again, usually the jelly belly beans do not taste exactly like the fruit. So we have a nice light green color. Not bad, quite good. I might put that at a 12. Next we have caramel popcorn. I don't recall if I like caramel popcorn or not, but it's a sort of brownish yellow, like a light brownish yellow. I don't really like that. It's good at first, but then it slowly becomes worse. Oh god, I'm gonna put that at a... it's not worse than cappuccino or green tea, so I'm gonna put that at a 34. We now have Very Cherry. I think I remember trying this one. It was pretty good last time I checked. I remember wrong. It's not that good. Let's go for 19. Actually, let's go for 17. It's not worse than toasted marshmallow. We now have Tutti Frutti, which, if I recall, was pretty good. It's like sugar, but worse, you know? That's not very good. I remember that being so much more delicious. That was not good. I'm gonna put that at... it wasn't worse than pineapple, but it was definitely better than caramel popcorn. Let's put that at a 32. We now have orange. Orange I actually like. I really like orange flavored things. That's good. Put that at an 11. We now have strawberry daiquiri. This is probably gonna taste like pina colada. Obviously it's not gonna taste like pina colada, but it's probably gonna be at the same rank as pina colada, as, you know, not quite good, because I found alcoholic drink flavored things just don't taste good. Never mind. It's alright. There's like that aftertaste that I don't like. Put that at 22. Why not? Fun fact about the word daiquiri. I once upon a time didn't know what it meant. I was in 8th grade, and we had an English teacher who would give us spelling. We had to do spelling, and we basically had to look through the dictionary and find words that we had to spell. And I picked daiquiri because I didn't know what it meant. I didn't read the definition. I just saw daiquiri and I was like, oh, that looks like a hard to spell word. So I wrote it down. And then I got the spelling back, and my teacher had written inappropriate. I was like, I don't know what it is even. Now we have cherry cola, which I can't imagine tastes very nice. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna put that at 31. I'm now gonna do strawberry cheesecake, which I've had strawberry cheesecake, not the bean, but I've had strawberry cheesecake, and it doesn't taste like amazing, but yeah, it's just like, it's just boring, you know? So I'm gonna put that at 19. Alright, next we have Island Punch, which, ooh, it looks cool. It's like a nice blue color. It's okay. It's kind of bland as well. So I'm gonna put it at 21. It's definitely better than strawberry daiquiri. Next we have peach. The only reason why I know peach is because in the Bean Boozle challenge, peach's equivalent is vomit. It's not great. It's not bad either. So I'm gonna put it at 26. I'm gonna leave it there because I'm tired and I really want to eat some real food. Have a good night, y'all, and I will be back soon. Bye.